Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Rituja and today I'm going to share with you 5 things which you can learn in your free time. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First thing you can learn is to improve your reading, because nowadays there are so many kinds of competitions in which you just have to read, and they will, if your reading is best, then they will give you prize. So I will recommend you to improve your reading. You should make a recording of your reading. Just read one paragraph or one page and make a recording. And after that, listen to that recording. And then automatically you will analyze that where I am lacking. Okay, so that is the thing which will really help you to improve your reading. And second thing is to learn a calligraphy, because calligraphy is the art of writing in a skillful manner. And now you should learn that. You will not realize it or analyze it in a first day or in a first week, but yes, it will definitely make you innovative. It will create innovative ideas in yourself. So that is the thing which will give you results, and yes, that is really very good and enjoyable work to do. And third thing is to learn a new language. If you know English language, if you can speak English fluently, then you can go for any other foreign language. Just like there are so many kinds of languages: French language, Mandarin, and Japanese. There are so many kinds of. So you choose your interest, you choose your what you love, what you would love to learn, then go for it. Okay. uh, and for that, just like, don't pressurize yourself. The first thing is to don't pressurize, because if you are learning 5 sentences in a day, it will be helpful, because at the end of the month you will come to know that you have learned 200 sentences in this month, and that is more than sufficient. And I know your ability is more than that, that you can learn 10 sentences in a day. I know that, and you can do that. Okay, so if you are learning only 10 sentences in a day, it will be double in the month. At the end of the month, it will double. So that is the thing you can learn. Okay, and for that, just like I'm learning French language, and if anyone of you is interested in French, learning French language, then follow me on Insta and DM me there that I want to learn French. Then we will make a group and we will learn French there together. Okay, so just like that, I said to you that you should learn 5 sentences in a day. Then I will send you and I will tell you the pronunciation, I will tell you the meaning of that sentences and that words and meaning, all that I will share with you, and so that we will coordinate with each other. So that is the thing. Fourth thing you can learn is to make creative art. Make yourself creative. Okay, just like making decorative items, improving yourself. Okay, learning new hairstyles and all that kind of things. Okay, whatever you find on YouTube, you just have to search there, like how to reuse this, and how can I transform this from this. So there will be, you will find so many videos, and if you do this, it will make you creative. And to become a creative, everyone wants to be a creative. So that's why I think you should do that thing also. And the fifth thing, I would like you to improve your social media, because everyone loves to be socially good. Okay, not everyone, but some people, maximum people love to be good on social media. So improve your social media by clicking pictures, by self-care, and you find your one thing that you love. Okay, and make video on that, or make some clicks on that and share it to the world. So these are the things, according to me, you should learn in your free time, or whatever you want. Okay, and the one thing, you should find your interest, what you want to do, and what you little bit of study, yours, give self time and self talk. so that you will analyze where is your interest, and so on. It will be easy to work on that thing. So thank you. And if you haven't subscribed me yet, then please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, then hit the like button. Thank you so much. Show your love.